So we will no longer be marketing come August 1st an HBS. It will be an HBA, $29.95. So are we currently migrating any of those old members, legacy members, over into our HBA? Yes. Which category of people are we going to move? Which category of people have we started to contact? Is the 995 members. Okay? The 995 members are the members that we've started emailing and communicating to say, hey, we've got great news. Your home business supplement is now increasing in benefits. And along with that increase, right, will be a price increase. Now, I want to explain to you what we're doing for those members, though, because they're getting a good deal. Now,